We start off with such horrifically foggy conditions here. I mean, the visibility is next to none. That must be why this car on the left side here in lane 1 has their fog light on. Hopefully you know that I'm being sarcastic there. Now we're looking at a car which is in this lane, a couple of cars in front. It is a silver car and the car ahead of that as well, to be fair, but you see there, they're indicating into lane 2. Now they don't want that lane, they want the M25 exit, but they don't want to wait. But as you can see, they don't wait at all. If anything, they've lost a place to this car, which is ahead of me. And then, I don't know what goes through their mind here, but when I'm virtually alongside them, they decide, oh, now's a good time to indicate. And obviously, the dashcam makes it look further away than it is. So obviously I have to back off and let them in, which I do. And then we get the car which was behind me decide to overtake and then take a very late exit, as you do with this A127 M25 junction. Now we're not finished with this silver car, because you see they're in lane 1. So not only did they get it wrong exiting here, they're now in lane 1 and they want the M25 anti-clockwise. So they want to go right at this roundabout, but they do it from lane 1. So here you see everyone else goes into the second lane as we're supposed to, other routes and all that. And then we feed into the M25 lane. And you see the silver car gets in the way. And while that's going on, we have this van behind who is catching, but can't really see what's going on ahead. So they decide to overtake. Only to realise, oh, that lane is actually going slower now. So you can see they tried to overtake there. Realise, oh, nope, stuck up behind another car now. And then tucks back in behind. Because their overtake failed. Or their must get in front failed. And we continue with the same trip. This time we're looking at the white van in the rearview mirror here. So you can see they're in lane 3. They don't like the car which has just gone out into that one, so they decide, oh yep, okay, I can get in front by going into lane 2. But they actually want the same lane that I'm in. And what happens next is inexplicable. They accelerate now.
Should we try that? Do you want to come on?
Getting ridiculous. Yeah, they want the A12. But, oh my god. That one was in the completely wrong lane as well then. Why can't people fucking drive?
Keep going. Keep going.
Where the fuck are you going?
You're in his business.
I'm in this. Where the fuck are you going?
He came from the right, so he wants to go to the M25 most likely.
Well, no, they
Where's
don't.
this car coming?
That's what I mean. Oh,
Why couldn't you have gone in that lane like you're meant to? And then he's gone in this lane anyway. Because it's this lane and that lane.
That was the point. They weren't in that lane. They were in the left. You're going to get one.
Yeah, he was slowing down.
Invert this person.
Amazonian.
Oh,
That was really terrible, wasn't it?
it's stupid.
You block your own bloody side. Fuck it out.
And this is what no forward planning gets you. This van here in lane 1 wants to turn right, but is in the wrong lane, so cuts across the car in the second lane.
In 2.4 miles. At the roundabout, take the third exit onto A130 towards Hazardous.
Someone ain't got their lights on. There we go. Girl bus telling them. Oh my god, that is not how you fucking drive! I've sped this up 3 times, but this black car here just doesn't really know where they're going. And the car behind decides that they can't possibly sit behind me, so they must overtake in the second lane. Remember this, it's important. You're not going to let them in, are you? You're just being a pain. Come on, just let them fucking in. They got it really wrong. They obviously knew that they got it wrong. Let's make it easier for them. There's no advantage whatsoever for them to be in that lane if they wanted to go right there. No advantage whatsoever. Oh look, and they don't even want that fucking lane. You could fucking see that coming.
Well, now people coming the other side. Right, that car just fucked up everyone else.
That's why you don't really give way. That's why you don't give way when you're not supposed to. But I mean, I don't understand how the white car here didn't see that all coming. I thought they went round it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this white car!
Probably because the learner's taking a little bit of time. Get over it. What's gonna happen over there?
Especially on this one.
Yeah, it's so roundabout horrible.
Okay, so that is obviously a right turn only lane, but not for this blue car. You see here, they decide that they get to cut across because obviously the right turn only lane turns into a straight lane,